Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Pisces, I have a good friend of mine. She is a very good intuitive reader and she gives personal reading in fever. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have 7 of stars, 8 of moons in reverse and the Papas in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, there is someone, a good friend of yours, and you are very close to this person. Maybe you trust them and you find them a good friend, but this person is is influencing you in a bad way for some reason. So if you have someone like that today in your work or in your life, they are telling you certain things, suggesting you certain things against your wishes, and it is really difficult to follow that, but you love this person, you cannot avoid them. So you have a lot of confusion going on. If that is the case today, this person is giving you false direction, so you must be really careful today, Pisces. You cannot trust them today and you cannot listen to all their suggestions today. So whatever they are telling you, that may be their point of view. So you must think for yourself what needs to be done or what will be the right thing for you. You need to believe in yourself. That is what is the most important thing today. So whatever decision comes to your mind, maybe you are in some circumstance in this relationship, you are making an important choice, deciding on something, and you don't know what to do. Maybe this person, your friend, is suggesting you certain things, but deep down in your heart of hearts, you have something that is telling you, giving you an answer, and you may have a lot of doubts, confusion, but you are making the right choice today, Pisces. You have to just believe in yourself and hope for a better change and hope for a better future in this relationship. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you are dreaming for yourself about this love, about this person, that is what is going to come true today. All you need to do is believe in yourself that you can do it, that you will see this marital bliss or you will see that happiness with this person. So your impossible dreams are coming true and you are the one hindering the path, or you are the one being that obstacle today. You need to change your ways. You need to change your ways of thinking. So positive intentions are what is going to help you today, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 4 of moons. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So maybe if you are quite confused, or if this person is quite confused about the next step or about the next decision or what will be the next step, all you need to do is take time to think and decide, and you have to, just like I said, have trust and have faith in yourself. That is going to work in a wonderful way, that is going to take you towards impossible dreams in your life, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship. For your career situation, we picked one card, we will see what it is, and it is Two of Suns in reverse. So in your work circumstances, you need to change the way you see your circumstance or you handle your circumstance. So you need to think clearly or do things in a different way if you want success today in your work. So that is the energy here with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth. And when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us, because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship, maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same vision, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are, without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition, you must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.